That's it. We're done. Are you done? Are you done struggling to earn more money, not loving what you do, being exhausted, living a life you're not really loving? It's unhealthy, and people all over the world are working like this. I was working like that. I'm Landria Onkka. I was a former investment banker, and I realized at one point it wasn't going to end. I was going to keep chasing clients, trying to make more money, working longer hours, and not doing the things that I love. Not feeling good when I got up in the morning. Why do we live like this? It's insane. When does it change for you? It can change today. 6 years ago, I made a decision. I was not going to live that life anymore. I no longer resonated with the financial industry, and I had a very successful career. But I wanted to be a writer. There's so many things I wanted to do. I wanted to feel good about what I did for a living and what I offered people. I wanted to get up in the morning and love my life. And I saw a promotion online just like this that offered an online business education system to show me how I could create an online business. Now, I worked in the investment banking industries, so I knew what it took for a business to be successful. I knew how many hours had to be put in and how much money we had to invest to make it work. That wasn't a good solution, but an online business made sense. If I could learn how to create a business online, I would no longer have to chase clients. People would come to me. I could offer what I chose that I felt was valuable and good, and offer that to global audiences. I could create any kind of income, multiple income streams, and I could have it operating no matter where I was in the world. And that vacation, that would be my everyday life. I achieved that goal. I'm living it now. I'm doing the things I love. I became a best-selling, award-winning author with a television movie. I created online businesses helping other people to change their lives. And I'm promoting this education system. To me, it's the Harvard. There's nothing better out there. Why? Because you get step-by-step training no matter what your background, your age, your education. You don't have to have run a business before. That's what you'll learn. You'll have mentors, trainers, and most of all, an amazing support system of really caring, positive people. That's what I want to be around. People are doing it, and I'm one of those people now. And I'm here to tell you, you can get out of the matrix. You can live a healthy life, stop stressing out, and spend time with your friends and family, relaxed, not exhausted. Choosing a lifestyle that's healthy for you. Going into a job you don't love is stressful, and people are getting sick. 85% of the people out there hate their jobs. That's a real statistic. Yet you're carrying an iPhone that has more power than all the computers put together that put a man on the moon in 1969. What are we doing with that technology? You can use it to empower yourself, and people are bucking the system. Thousands of people are learning how to use the internet, create online businesses, and take control of their lives. You can do the same. You can click somewhere here on the screen and get a free workshop series, the same that I received, and learn about this. I make more money now than I did as an investment banker. It's up to you to take that step to make a big change in your life. There's no such thing as retirement for me. Why? I love my life. Why would I ever want to retire for something I love every day? I get to control that now, and my income continues to grow. We can teach you how to do that. I'm Landria Onkka. You may know me from my popular YouTube channel or my interviews on CEO Money and other global platforms. I'm spreading the word. We're taking charge of our lives. If you'd like to join us, check it out. You can sign up for a free workshop series, get the information, see for yourself what it's about. If it's not for you, you unsubscribe. I hope you'll join us. Click somewhere here on the screen, click for your free workshop series, and I hope to see you on the other side. Thanks so much for listening. Take care.